Imagine for a second that you could hire a Wall Street analyst. They work 24/7. They read thousands of pages of financial reports in a matter of seconds, and they charge you absolutely nothing. Sounds like a ultimate investing cheat code, right? But there's a catch. This some brilliant analyst will occasionally look you dead in the eyes and confidently lie to your face. And if you blindly hand over your life saving to them, you may just lose it all. Hey, I'm Mama Sharifai, and welcome back to Ladder of Finance. On this channel, we look at the forces shaping the modern economy to help you climb one more step toward true financial freedom. Today, we are bridging the gap between traditional finance and the bleeding edge of tech. We are breaking down how you can actually use artificial intelligence to get a massive jump on the market. Exactly what AI tools you should be using, and more importantly, the dangerous trap that are wiping out everyday investors. If you stick around to the end, you will know exactly how to build an AI workflow that saves you thousands of hours of research without risking your portfolio. Let's get into it. Right now, everybody and their mothers is trying to use AI to get rich quick. Most people start with that. We call it generative AI. The large language models, you already know it, like a ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, or a Gemini. These tools are incredible for one specific thing, learning. If you come across an intimidating financial concept, you don't have to spend hours Googling anymore. You can just ask a ChatGPT to explain it to you like you are 5 years old. As someone who writes code and works heavily in the modern tech space, I can tell you that different models have different superpowers. For example, Claude may take a second longer to think, but it is phenomenal at achieving through massive documents and spitting out clean, downloadable Excel financial models. But here is where the danger comes in. Generative AI creates a massive and sometimes lethal false sense of confidence because I know how these models are programmed under the hood. I know they are basically just highly advanced probabilistic guessing machine. They are literally guessing what world you want to see next, which means they suffer from hallucinations. They will give you outdated information or completely invent fake data and sounds incredibly authoritative while doing it. Worse, they don't know you. They don't know your tax bracket, your risk tolerance, or your long term goals. By the way, if you are finding value in breakdown these complex tech and finance concepts, hit that subscribe button. It helps us keep climbing the ladder of finance together, and it lets me know you want more content bridging tech and money. Alright, so if generative AI isn't the holy grail of stock picking, what is? This brings us to the next evolution, agentic AI. Instead of just answering a question like a chatbot, agentic AI can actually take action. It uses specific skills. Let's say you want to analyze the profit figures of the top four banks in your country. An AI agent doesn't just write a paragraph, it actively goes out, retrieves the real time data, runs a comparative analysis, and monitors the ongoing news cycle for those specific stocks. We've actually seen early versions of these for years with robo advisors that automatically rebalancing your portfolio. But the new wave of AI agents can be custom built by you right inside the tools like a ChatGPT. But here is the absolute golden rule of a modern investing. You cannot delegate your decisions to a robot and walk away. If you ask an AI to build you a stock portfolio from scratch, it's probably going to suffer from massive bias. It's trained on the internet, so it's just going on to spit out a list of massive blue chip companies that are heavily talked about online. You know what we call a basket of massive blue chip companies, an index fund. You can buy that cheaper and easier without the AI. And by relying on the bot, you might miss out on a universe of better, more relevant investment. So, how do we actually use this tech to make a money? Think of AI as a brilliantly smart but entirely unreliable graduated analyst that you just hired. You give the intern the grunt work, the tedious, low-stake jobs. Have your AI agent summarize a massive, boring annual report. Have it explain the dozen jargon into broker's note. Use it to compare the balance sheet of two competing companies or ask it to draft a list of devil's advocated questions you need to answer before you buy a stock. It is the ultimate workflow assistant. It pressure tested your ideas so you aren't wandering around the dark. But you are the boss. You make the final cut. If an app promises to pick stocks for you, auto trade your account, or build a magical portfolio at the click of a button, run. Those are the tools that are going to do real damage to everyday investors right now. AI is an incredible tool for finding information and crunching numbers. Treat it as a starting point, not the source of truth. Always stick to high quality primary sources. Practice sensible position sizing and keep your portfolio diversified. The fundamentals of finance haven't changed just because the calculators got smarter. We'd love to hear your story. How has AI become a part of your life? And would you trust it to help you make a financial decisions? Share your truths in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Ladder of Finance. Thank you so much for watching. Keep climbing, and I will see you in the next one.